Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by minimizing what's stealing resources. First, check CPU, GPU, and RAM so you know where the bottleneck is. Once done, close non-essential apps via Task Manager or Activity Monitor to free CPU cycles and RAM. Next, choose lower capture settings. Drop resolution to 1280 x 720 and FPS to 30, and reduce bitrate. This directly lowers encoding load. Make sure your recorder is set to GPU encoding if available. Now you tune the heavy hitters, the encoder and capture method. Switch to a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync so encoding runs on the GPU. This prevents frame drops during complex scenes. After that, change the encoder preset to faster or VeriFast. It trades slight quality for big performance gains. Also, capture only the app window or a reduced region, and turn off animated overlays and unnecessary compositing effects, because fewer pixels and layers equal fewer frames skipped. Finish by running a short test recording and check for dropped frames, audio desync, and stutter. If you still see lag, update GPU drivers and recording software first. Driver updates often fix performance bugs. Make incremental changes, lower bitrate or resolution, change encoder preset, or try connecting an external capture device to offload the task. One important tip: keep your recorder UI on a second monitor to avoid compositing overhead, and repeat tests until the recording runs smoothly and audio stays in sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.